Oh, morning. Having a nice lie-in. I'm going to have some Morrison's Super Hoops. Okay, not awful. Just need to get some milk out of the fridge.
Jesus, there's a thing in the fridge! Are you alright? Do you want some bread? Do you want... What? So what? Right, well, see, the thing is, we don't have any in at the moment, and it's illegal. But, I'll tell you what, hang on, give me a minute. Mick! Mick, have we... There's a thing in the fridge. Well, have we got any human meat in at the moment? No, we haven't got any in. Sorry. What? Hang on. What? We've got some cheese. That's kind of... It's a bit... He says he's in the fridge. He doesn't want cheese. You could have it any time he wants, really. Yeah, hang on. Would you like some sort of human meat substitute, like lamb, beef, pork? No, it's the human bit that he likes, Mick. Yeah. No, I don't think he's going to want... What? 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 Right. Mick has offered to cut one of his legs off. So if he was to give you that, would you be happy? We would? Oh, great. Okay. He says he'd be happy with that, Mick. Yeah. Alright, well, I think Mick's just going to do that now. So I'll bring it in for you when you want it. Okay, is there anything else? No? You good? Are you good? Okay. Alright, well, Mick will bring that along in a minute. So you'll enjoy that. Great. Okay. Bye. Mick, I've got to kill it, Mick. Well, it's just in the fridge, innit? I don't know what it's doing there. It's horrible. It's horrible, Mick. Yeah, well, if I get a big stick or something, I can just poke its eye out and then get it with a knife or something. Yeah, well, I don't know what else to do really, mate. Alright, I'll go. Where is the hammer? Is it under? Yeah. Hang on. I haven't seen it for ages. It's not there, Mick. It's not in the... Oh, hang on. I found it. It was in the... it wasn't in the cupboard under the sink. It was in... it was with the spanners. No, I'll probably just go to town tomorrow. Do you want to... You wouldn't mind just coming down and giving me a bit of a tug, would you? Great. No, I'll owe you back in the week. Cheers, mate. All right. He's just coming now. Okay.